kami ni Dio guys. Bibili kami ng swimsuit. We went to Target and Target is so expensive. We're going somewhere else. You know what I mean? Mainit talaga guys. Dio, the aircon seems like not working. It's too hot. I hope your day is full of fun guys this hot season. The beginning of the summertime. The highest temperature so far this week, this month. Enjoy! Dito kami sa Target guys. Sama sa akin si Dio. Today is Saturday. It's too hot. It's 97 degrees, guys. We're going to the Target store. We're going to get a swimsuit for Dio. Dio. What happened to the swimsuit now? Oh, there it is. Ah, swimsuit. Aha. Nasama sa aking anak ayaw niya mag-stay sa bahay. Swimsuit?
Because I have to go to my friend's house soon.
Yeah, but we're going to the right? 2 hours. We're buying them now. Then buy them. No! I thought you come with me. What time are you leaving? Do you buy me the connector? What is it? Android charger. The connector dear. What is that? Nawala ko guys ang aking vlogger stand guys. Mahal yung $60 yun. We have to look for Apple. No, it's in here. I got it in here. Ask them when ideally. Kukuha ko ay yung connector, ano ba yung connector na hanap ko? Apple connector. Cellphone. Para sa charger pero gusto ko kasing gamitin yung mic ko kasi maganda yung pag nasa beach ka. Meron kong condenser na i-connect sa phone para hindi siya maingay lang. Ay, ito, nakita ko na. Ay, ito nakita na guys. Ito yun. Oh my God. $39 guys. Oh my God. Ito na siya. Ganyan pala yung connector. Hindi yata yung ganito lang siya. for live streaming lang sa ano, sa kwarto lang. Pwede rin sigurong hawakan yung ganyan, panglabas siya guys. Yung may condenser siya guys, ito yung to avoid noise, more noise yan guys, yung air. Plus kapag Hi guys, unboxing Vloggers Studio. Tignan natin guys. Napakainit guys. Grabe. Lumabas kami ni Dio kanina. Kaya kararating lang namin guys, nag-shopping ng clothes. Tsaka ito guys. Vlog studio guys. Parang meron na siyang condenser, meron siyang lights, meron dito. Pero pang hand lang yata, pang table. Ito na siya guys sa likod. Ito, yan. Ganun siya. Cute, no? Buksan na natin, guys. Tada! Oops! Uh-oh. Wow, ito na light, guys. Super init, guys. Kaya, yan. Assemble na natin, guys. Try natin kung kaya nating i-assemble. Ano kaya ang kailangan niya? Okay. Ito daw. Ay, ganyan. 5 minutes assembly. Vlogger studio guys. Ito na yung, ano. Ay, pang table lang siya, oh. O kaya, ano, hawakan lang na gano'n. Pwede siyang hawakan. Okay. Asa na yung next? What is next? Oops. Ito. Ito. 2. Hindi pala ako inabot ng 1 minute. Oops. Try natin ulit. Hindi ko na gawang 1 minute eh. Ito guys. Try natin 1 minute. Next step. Tignan natin kung ano itsura. Let's see what's the outcome. I bought it in Walmart, Target guys. And where is this? Wow. Okay. This is it, pansit. Okay, I got it. Aha, there it is. There it is. Oh, shit. I got it. Tingnan nga natin ang itsura na guys. Parang ganito siya. Oh. Tapos, you have to tighten it. Ano lang. Ganon. Tapos, this one. Ganito pala. Okay. Then, tighten it like that. Wow! Nice! This is my vlogger studio. What? Nice. And this.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's